Greetings, friends. It's an honor once again to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. What I have in the shop today is a 2010 Nissan Rogue with a broken door latch. It belongs to yet another one of my nieces. Now, I'm not going to actually show the repair. There are quite a few videos online that show how to do this repair. But what I wanted to show you today was a temporary fix that you can use while you're waiting for your appointment to get it fixed, or while you're waiting for the part on order, or whether you're simply trying to come up with the money for the repair. At a dealer, this repair will cost about $300. The reason my niece brings the car in today is she broke the handle on her door. This is the replacement handle she purchased on Amazon. What had happened is this little piece right here had broken off, and this slips behind a piece of metal that actuates the door from the inside. And with this broken off, there's no way to open the door. I did a temporary fix for her while she had the part on order, and I'll show you what I did. What I did as a temporary fix so she could continue to open and close the door while waiting for the part to come in is I took a little cable tie and I went inside there and put the cable tie around that little metal latch in there, and then just wrapped it around the outside of the handle, so when you pull it, it works as normal. It's kind of a nice little temporary thing, so she could continue to open and close the door without having to crawl in from the other side. I'm going to try to give you a look in there so you can see what I'm talking about. That's that little latch in there that the thing hooks around. And if you need to open the door, what you can do is go in there with a little pick, grab it, and pull it, and the door will open. So what I did was I just simply wrapped my cable tie around this thing and then wrapped it around the outside of the handle, as you saw, and that's how I was able to open the door. But in a pinch, you can reach in there with a pick or a needle nose pair of pliers, put it around the thing, and just simply pull at it and the door will open. So in a pinch, that's how you can get into the car. The reason this repair is so difficult is because of this wire that's attached to the latch itself. The wire has to be unplugged from the inside, so that means you have to remove the door panel and the window regulator. That's why the repair is so expensive. So I'm going to start in on this repair. Like I said, I'm not going to show it. I just wanted to show you the quick fix that you can use while you're waiting for the car to be repaired. Before I go, I will post two videos to your left. Hopefully you'll find them of interest. And to your right, as always, will be my avatar in the form of my trusty German Shepherd. By all means, feel free to click on that should you wish to subscribe. So thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you all very, very soon.